to my channel. It's Jessica here. Because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to do a Valentine's Day get ready with me. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I have makeup storage finally. I'm not using the same bag. I'm gonna start with my eyelashes because that's what I always do. I have my eyelash curler. No idea where it's from. I've been using the same one for ages and just like replacing the middle piece. And then I have the Lash Sensational from Maybelline and Telescopic from L'Oreal. These two together are like the best mascaras. I'm not even kidding. Yep, they're the best. I always forget like the outer lashes here and I have to stop forgetting that. Oh my gosh. For breakfast, we have hibiscus tea because it's like bread. Also, I did my nails and I like to be tapping on things when I have long nails. But I made myself heart-shaped pancakes. There are 2 broken pancakes sitting downstairs that I'm probably gonna eat. But like, look how cute this is. It's a little heart because it's Valentine's Day. I really want to eat the heart-shaped pancakes. It looks so cute. Next, we're gonna go in with the Lash Sensational and basically what I do is I close my eyes when I do it because then I only get the top and it doesn't get on my root. Gorgeous. And then the bottom lashes, I do the same thing, but I do put it at the root. Okay, so I know it looks a little crazy. Just trust me. It'll look so much better when I clean it up. Telescopic now. Both are waterproof, by the way, just because I feel like waterproof mascara lasts longer. And I do the same thing with this one. I just put it on the tip of my eyelash. Look how pretty it looks. Okay, let's move on to everything else. L'Oreal moisturizer. I'm so excited for Valentine's Day because I love getting candy. So fun. Gosh, my eyelashes are actually looking so good today. What? Okay, next I'm doing foundation. This, the Morphe 2 Hint Tint Skin Tint. It's like almost out though. I mean, I have another one, but it's my summer shade, so like obviously can't wear it during the winter. I'm so excited for summer because I get super tan in summer, and in the winter I just look super white. Next, I'm gonna take this concealer from Tarte. Probably expired, but that is okay. So now I'm gonna take the setting powder, which is Fit Me Maybelline. I've had this one for like almost 4 years. My makeup routine literally never changes. Now blush. This is usually the blush I use. It's the Morphe X Maddie Ziegler one and very good. I like it, but I think let's use this Morphe 2 one in Wish. I haven't used this in a while and it's such a pretty color. And I'm just gonna blend it. Gorge. Highlighter, I use Maybelline Master Chrome. Stole this one from my sister a while ago. She never yelled at me for having it and she's seen me wear it, so I think it's just mine now. Super cute. Having unblended highlighter is like my biggest fear because of like all of those TikToks I saw, but I don't think I put that much on. Put a pretty decent amount. Clinique and Rosewater Pop. This was the first lip gloss I ever bought when I went into Ulta for the first time. I love it. Now that my makeup's all done, let's go do my hair. Oh my gosh, it's snowing outside. Mom, it's snowing. That's crazy. I'm gonna start my hair now. Okay. I'm gonna take my straightener. I'm just gonna straighten it. One of these rollers that I got off Amazon. I'm gonna go do the rest of my hair. I look crazy. I'm gonna go get changed and leave these in for 10 minutes. So I'll see you in 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
I can't believe it's snowing outside. I'm gonna go take these out. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, here's the final result. Let me just move my chair. We're gonna pretend like I didn't just drop my chair on the ground. Hey guys, here's my fit. So we have this top, zip up from H&M, this shirt my grandma got for me. It's actually hers. Pants are from Brandy, earrings from Amazon, I think. Yeah, and then my shoes are gonna be either my Uggs or my Nautica sneakers. Oh, we can't forget the glasses. Ow! I'm fitted up. Ow! I don't want to wear it, but But if it's like snowing, then I probably have to wear it. I hope you... Okay, slanted, thanks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, you suck. I'm just kidding. If you didn't, comment down below what you want to see instead. If you love these types of videos, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, what else do I say in the outro? Subscribe, like, and comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.